everyone, it's Lori from Dee's, and the season is here, and we are going to show you some helpful ideas and hints on decorating your mantle. We're going to start out with a pre-made garland. This is a beautiful garland, and what I like about this best is this is all wired, and you have a few textures in here. You've got your leaves, you've got your berries, and you've got your sticks. So the most important thing is you always want to go through and fluff up your flowers, your bushes, and your garlands to bring them to life and make them look pretty. So we're simply going to lay this up here, and the nice thing about it is because it's wired, you can bend it and shape it to kind of curve whatever way you want. We're going to fluff it just a little bit more here. So you have your garland in place, and we have some beautiful candlesticks, and I'm just going to tuck these right up here. This candlestick has a beautiful wood tone flicker flame candle, and we took a little fall pick just to wrap around it. And the best thing is this one can work by remote, and you can turn it off and on real easily. We're going to take another candlestick, and because I like a little variation in height, we're going to cheat a little bit, and I have a little pot that I'm putting under here to prop this candlestick up just to make it a little higher. And we've added this beautiful artificial pumpkin. I'm going to take just a couple of picks and just tuck them right in here in our fireplace. Right in here in the garland to fill in some space. Just a beautiful addition. We can put that family frame back on the fireplace once you get that garland up there. And of course, you can always add some ribbon to fill in. And what's nice is because this garland has got wired stems, we can use our stems just to wire our ribbon right in. And you can run it through your garland, simple and easy. If you would like to do something different, where it's a little more larger and permanent, we're just going to change this out just a little bit here. I'm going to take all of these off. We'll remove this garland. Now this is a beautiful mantelpiece that you can also use. And this is a little bit larger and a little bit fuller. And it just easily sets right up there, and you can keep it from year to year. This is easily made by using a Sahara or Oasis tray, and you put your foam right in it, cover it with your moss, and then you have a base, and you don't have to worry about a large container. And then you can poke your flowers, your stems, and your berries right into that foam, and it will keep everything intact for you. And then we have a beautiful little fall sign that says welcome. Quick and easy.